Hey guys, welcome to today's video by Trust, and this is a TS Tech Talk video. On today's video guys, I'm going to show you guys the top generative AI softwares or tools that you can use and utilize on your everyday life. Now what I mean by generative AI is actually an AI tool that you can type anything and it generates a video for you. The video is going to be moving, not a still image, an image that is a video that is going to move for a particular period of time or a very long time. Now, this is actually not yet perfect, but is actually still improving. So all of the one that I'm going to mention in this video, they are all very good or already tested and trusted, but they are not the best. I will give you guys that. The best are yet to come, guys. So these are the existing one and the top rated one. So starting on the first list is called Synthesia. Now Synthesia actually allows you to generate images, and Synthesia is also very good at AI avatar creation. You can see sample of Synthesia and you can see what it can do. All you just need to do is to type in what you want and it's going to prompt you the video and it's going to generate the video, and it can even do a lot more, not just the video, also text to speech. And the next one is actually AI Studio. AI Studio also belongs to Deep Brain. I think actually Deep Brain is a different tool, and also AI Studio is a different tool, but mostly formerly known as AI Studio. You can see right there is AI Studio, but also having Deep Brain Studio right here, Deep Brain AI Studio, which is actually the company. They're also very good at text to speech, not just generating videos for you. You can see what it can do. I can just scroll. You can see it says create a free AI video. You can create a free AI video making use of this tool. And the next one is InVideo. InVideo is also very good at creating text to speech image, and all you need to do is to give it a prompt and it's going to start creating your image. You can see the example right here. Type it in, click on create, and it's going to start creating the images with text to speech. And the next one is Pictoria, and Pictoria is also best for AI video summary or summarizing video and highlighting probably. Now you can actually see that it actually makes it easy to create video for content marketers, or let's say content creators. So you can go through it and you can consider making use of it if you think that is useful for you. And the next one is Lumia. Now this is Lumia. Lumia actually helps you to create a video also, and Lumia is actually very easy to use compared to most of them on this list. And you can see what it can do. Type in, generate, and then compose and create your image. Very easy and very smooth, and also a majority of it are free. And the next one is Li. Now Li is actually best for AI driven scalability. Now if you want to actually go for AI driven content, this is actually what you have to use. Li. Did I get the spelling? Li. All right. The next one is Colossia. This is Colossian. Now it's still very good for collaborative video generation or video production, and which means you can work with team and create an amazing video content making use of the tool. You can actually see it and also see their website. Go ahead and use it and utilize its use. And then the next one is called Hour One or Hour One. I don't know why the name looks weird, but it's actually very useful. And our one is actually best for multi-language content or multilingual content creation. Now you can actually make content making use of multiple languages or different languages, even though you do not understand those languages, which means transcribing your video to a different word or a different language. Now the next one is called Visla. Now Visla is also very useful for creating videos. Now you can all make use of the application, and a video recording option is also available for you. So you can actually look at it and you can see all that it can do. You can see the tools, recording and the video editing all in one place, and it can also generate images for you. So the next one is called Flicky. On my previous video, I also mentioned Flicky when I was talking about audio or audio clone AI tools. This is actually very important and this is very useful. If you have never used it, go ahead and try it. It's very useful. Flicky can do a lot more things than what you can see right here. I think I love that. And guys, this is actually the end of it. But then if you actually watch this video towards this, and I actually have a bonus for you. Now the bonus is actually listing other AI tools. Now the next one is actually called Lumia. Lumia is actually from Google. Now, not the previous Lumia I mentioned. This is Lumen, right? And this is Lumia. This is Lumia AI. Lumia AI is different from the one I mentioned previously because this is owned by Google and is still under review and is still under development. So it's not fully reached its potential yet. You can see is a text to video model, and you can actually make use of it, but you cannot make use of this right now. You can notice it's Lumia by Google bringing AI closer to real more than usual. Now this is actually launched January 27th. Most people don't know about this, but this is very useful. You can consider using Lumia, and all you need to do is to download it from GitHub and you start making use of it. And then the next one is called Deep Brain. I think I made a mistake. This is already Deep Brain. This is Deep Brain I mentioned before. This is twice mentioning it. Apologies. And then the next one is actually called Emu Video. Now this is actually the spelling Emu Video, or you can just say Emu AI. It's the same thing. Now Emu AI or Emu Video is actually owned by Meta. You can notice Emu Video and Emu Edit, latest generative AI tool, and you can notice it's actually from Meta blog. So you can actually make use of it, and it's owned by Meta. Now the next one is Pinaki AI. Now Pinaki AI is another generative video tool that you can use to generate images. You can see how cool it is. Not perfect though, but still upcoming and not very bad, especially that it's free. Then the next one is Cog Video. Cog Video. This is also very useful. This is Cog Video, and you can actually not make use of this also on website. This is also going to be downloaded and made use of on your PC. You can either use it offline. You can only use it online because it's generative video anyway. Now the next one is called DID. Now I don't know if you are new to this. Let me go ahead and actually mistake DID. So this is also very useful, and also a lot of you might have actually come across this because I think a lot of content creators have made video about this, and this is also very cool. You can make use of it. It also has multiple images, multiple tools and multiple things that it can do. Also has a text to speech and also a video creator. You can see you can do a lot of things with vidIQ, with DID. So go ahead and pay attention to it and see if you like it. And then finally there is Pika. Pika is actually the one that can convert an existing photo. Oh, this is a mistake. Pika is actually the one that will convert an existing video or an existing image into a video. This is different, right? Okay, video command. Pika is idea to video platform that sets your creativity to motion. Yes. Now you can actually have an image you already have existing. Just upload it to Pika and actually make use of it. It converts it free. I think if I am going to make any video tutorial on any of these, I actually will go for Pika and Sora. And now finally guys, there is Sora. Sora by OpenAI. Now Sora is still under development, is not yet fully launched, but then we are actually expecting Sora to come in new very soon, and we can start making use of it. But right now Sora is not yet active. But now there are so many things or so many images that has already been created by Sora, and you can see what it can do, but then you can't start making use of Sora immediately. Out of all the videos, all these tools I've mentioned, so far Sora is the most advanced one, but yet is not yet released. So we're just going to have some patience, and then we are going to see everything in place. So guys, this is all for my video today. Please let me know how I did in this video, how this video performed, and if this video really helped you. If it is, don't forget to smash like, and I will see you on my next video. Stay safe and peace, guys. Peace. Do not forget to share the video with your friends. It will be helpful.